Halo, selamat sore. Selamat siang. Tadi saya ada handphone ya. Handphone saya masuk robot. Dia suruh putuskan. Mi punya robot. Robot ini saya beli. Jadi, kamu nak suruh putuskan? Kamu bisa bantuin. It's slow me. To go shopping. To go Singapore. To go Macau, to go Italy, understand? You like cancel money. You to happy me cancel robot. Money. 100 trillion. Understand? 100 trillion. Nih money me. Yeah. You mau cancel to Bluetooth? To me, no. And three for me. You understand? Money me. I said two wrong and two back me. Are you okay, sir? No, okay. You understand? He lose no. Understand? 4%. 4%. Okay, and 4 slow. Mana? Understand? Yo, Tugo, Bunda Maria, Kuan Yin, Yo Ular, Ganesha, Iya, Yo di sini Hindu, understand for me, ni Matahari anak. Okay?